Okay, we're inside. This is the entryway. We found out from the neighbors that it was a 90-year-old woman. Her husband died. She wasn't able to take care of it. So we're assuming this railing here was just put in for her. So far we're just seeing that it's extremely dirty.
Complete rip up of carpet and kitchen.
We got all this on the carpet. If I can focus, it's just dirt.
Oh my God.
It's just filthy. But you can see, wait till you see this. It's still really simple stuff. The agent left some notes for us, so let's go see what those say. Oh, cool. Here are the dimensions of the rooms, I guess. I have no idea what these mean. Okay. Oh, there's rats in here.
Where do you see the cupboards in the kitchen?
Because those are rat droppings. Okay. Again, just dirt so far.
I'm not seeing any watermarks.
Yeah, we're not seeing any water damage yet. Really, screens hanging off back there. There does seem to be a bit of mold or rust. Or it could just be dirt. Sorry, but I'm not going to touch it.